1 day. That's exactly how long Tailor Brands says it takes to set up your limited liability company, all while also handling your logo, website, and domain in one app. Sounds too good to be true? Don't worry, that's where this Tailor Brands LLC review comes in. Watch to the end to find out if this all-in-one tool actually delivers on its promises. I'm pretty sure that at some point in your adult life, you've had the displeasure of drowning in paperwork. Not to mention the fear of missing something minor that can turn into a major cost in time and money. Luckily, nowadays, starting a business with tools like Tailor Brands can be a surprisingly pleasant experience. So what does it actually do? Put simply, Tailor Brands is an LLC formation service that helps you officially set up and run your business by creating your LLC, while also offering branding tools, website building, and domain setup. This makes Tailor Brands a pretty convenient solution, so if you already want to try it, check the link in the description below. Now let's do a proper dive into this Tailor Brands review by going through their features in detail. The foundation of the service lies in relieving you from the headache of figuring out how to create an LLC. They do this by preparing the necessary forms needed to start an LLC and submitting them to the state government. This step establishes the legal separation between your business and personal finances. On top of that, Tailor Brands prepares an operating agreement that explains how the business will run, who owns what, how decisions are made, and how profits are handled. To keep everything organized and easy to access, Tailor Brands also provides an LLC kit, a bundle that gathers all your key information documents in one place. Even though LLC-related services are Tailor Brands' main selling point, they're only the tip of the iceberg. For example, they also handle employer identification number setup. All you need to do is fill in the required information and Tailor Brands will use it to obtain your tax ID, which you'll need to open a bank account and file taxes. Sales tax permits are another important area where Tailor Brands has you covered, since without them you can't legally charge customers. As your business expands, the list of required licenses and permits grows. It might feel overwhelming, but Tailor Brands helps here too. As long as you keep your information updated, the platform shows you exactly which licenses and permits you need and guides you through the process of getting them. One more thing. Forming an LLC requires a registered agent who sends and receives legal documents and acts as a point of contact. Tailor Brands offers this as an optional add-on. Personally, I see this as a strong continuation of their service. Not only preparing the documents, but also helping ensure you don't miss any important notices. Considering everything mentioned so far, Tailor Brands delivers a kind of solid legal setup you'd expect from this type of provider. Once the legal ground is covered, you can move on to using Tailor Brands' other services to make your business look credible and consistent. That starts with creating a business email using your domain. We'll get back to the domain and website builder shortly since they're part of the branding bundle. For now, there's also a small but useful branding tool worth mentioning, a digital business card. It's a mini online profile with your contact info, social links, website, and payment details, which you can share via a link or QR code. It's much more effective than handing out a crumpled piece of paper. Moving on, let's talk about the AI logo maker. I know, another AI feature, but hear me out, it is actually convenient. After answering a few prompts, you get a solid visual representation of your brand. And here's the best part. Tailor Brands lets you file a trademark for your AI-generated logo through their dedicated service. They guide you through the entire process. You simply enter your business details and upload the logo, while they handle the USPTO submission, including a preliminary conflict search. Actually, you can try it yourself through the link in the description. Beyond the logo, Tailor Brands creates a complete brand identity, including colors and fonts. This identity is automatically applied to social media templates, business cards, merch, and printed materials, which you can order through their print store. And as mentioned earlier, all of this branding can be trademarked. As far as everything else, I found their all-in-one approach extremely convenient. Keeping that in mind, let's get back to the domain. You can search for, buy, and register a domain directly on the Tailor Brands website. Once that's done, you can create a basic branded website from the same dashboard, making it ideal for new businesses that want to get online quickly without juggling multiple tools. That said, their biggest strength, being beginner-friendly with no coding required, can also be their main drawback. If you need advanced customization or plan to scale significantly, you might prefer a dedicated website builder like Hostinger. Tailor Brands truly lives up to its all-in-one solution label by offering a broad toolkit for running your business. These include basic financial tracking tools for invoicing and bookkeeping, as well as assistance with opening a business bank account through partner banks to separate personal and business finances. They also provide ready-made standard legal templates like NDAs, service agreements, hiring documents, client contracts, and more. If you need business insurance, they can connect you with suitable providers. Still, keep in mind these are supporting tools. I wouldn't recommend using them as a full replacement for accountants, legal experts, or advanced financial software. Now that we've covered the features in this Tailor Brands review, let's move on to plans and pricing. There are 3 plans: Light, Essential, and Elite. The Light plan is the entry-level, cheapest option, relieving you from the need to research how to set up LLC by providing basic LLC document filing and charging only for governmental fees. Of course, the processing time is naturally longer, up to 14 days. In comparison, on the other 2 plans, Essential and Elite, filing is completed within 1 business day. Although Light gives you access to the business coaching program with online courses, workshops, and other guidance, I don't think it fully showcases what Tailor Brands can do. Personally, one of the most valuable features is document tracking after submission, which you can unlock with the Essential plan. This includes a registered agent who helps ensure nothing is missed or out of date, reducing the risk of fines. The platform also includes invoicing and bookkeeping tools that let you create and send invoices to clients, track payments, and monitor your income and expenses. Every plan comes with a 30-day trial for these tools, after which they become a paid add-on. With the Essential plan, you also get a nice little bonus that comes as a $20 Amazon gift card. The Elite plan goes further by unlocking the full branding solution. Yes, it's the most expensive, but I think it offers the best overall value because of its comprehensive all-in-one feature set. And realistically, at around $20 per month, it's not overly expensive. If you're interested in trying Tailor Brands, check the description. I've left a link that takes you directly to the pricing page. With the Elite plan, on top of everything included in Light and Essential, you get a domain with a custom website address, so there's no need to buy it separately. As I mentioned earlier, it's an all-in-one solution provider, so you'll also get the website builder and the full branding toolkit. That includes 8 logo variations, digital business cards, and a social media post maker. One final thing to remember: there's no magic solution that works for every situation, and Tailor Brands is no exception. It is great for handling standard paperwork and launching a small business quickly, but if you're dealing with complex legal matters, it won't replace a lawyer or accountant. The same goes for scaling a large business, where the website builder might feel limited and more advanced tools are needed. And that's it. We've covered everything in this Tailor Brands LLC review, and I hope you found it helpful and will leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this tool. Maybe you've already used it. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.